Are you an architecture student or interested in Rhino 3D? In this Rhino modeling course, I'm going to show you the simplest way for beginners and architecture students to model buildings in Rhino 3D. When I was an architecture student, every time I wanted to model a building for my project, I had challenges about how to start 3D modeling. After years of experience, I have found some valuable tips and tricks that I will show you in this course. What you didn't expect is, one of these strategies has already doubled my speed of modeling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Rhino 3D. Let's get started. Draw a box. Draw a triangle and extrude it to create the roof. Use the Boolean union command to unify the building. Copy and scale 1D. By holding Ctrl-Shift left-click, select the top surface of the building and extend it. Draw another box. Draw a rectangle and offset it twice. Extrude curve. Use a polygon with 8 sides, then extrude it. Draw a pyramid for the top of the building. By holding Ctrl-Shift left-click, select the side surface of the building, then use the duplicate borders command. Offset it and extrude it. Next, by using the array polar, copy it 8 times. By using Boolean difference, subtract the extruded parts from the building to create windows and doors. Use a polyline, and by extruding it, create the frame of the window. Next, by using the array polar, copy it 8 times. Use the Boolean union command to unify the building. Draw a rectangle for doors. Next, fillet corners for a better result. Extrude doors and windows. Next, by using the array polar, copy it 8 times. Copy the arched door and scale it to use for other parts. Use copy and scale many times when you're done. Extrude doors and windows. If you haven't watched the previous part of this course, you can watch it here or find the link in the description. Extrude doors and windows. By using Boolean difference, subtract the extruded parts from the building to create windows and doors. Use the Boolean union command to unify the building. Draw a small box for stairs and copy it several times. By using an array linear command, copy the stairs several times. Select the bottom surface of the stairs. Then, by using set XYZ coordinates, align all the bottom surfaces in the Z direction. Use the Boolean union command to unify the boxes. Copy and scale. Extrude doors and windows. By using Boolean difference, subtract the extruded parts from the building to create windows and doors. Copy and scale. Extrude doors and windows. By using Boolean difference, subtract the extruded parts from the building to create windows and doors. Draw a polyline and offset it, then, by extruding and copying, create the details for the top. The main building is ready. Just add some small details. It's up to you how many details and time you want to spend. That's it for today's video. I hope this helped you learn something new in Rhino. If you enjoyed it, watch these videos to learn more interesting things about Rhino 3D. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. I'll see you in the next video, right here on Mr. Rhino 3D.